friends, this is Advocate Payal Kotwani practicing in Mumbai. My special areas of practice are family court issues, that is, disputes relating to husband and wife, children, custody of children, adoption of children, all the issues relating to a married couple as well as prior to marriage. Any issues relating to family settlements, family partitions, release deeds, all this is my area of practice. Along with this, I have testamentary matters that I am practicing in, which are relating to wills as well as codicils, which we file in the High Court, succession certificate in the High Court, and all the civil litigation that I am dealing with. Yes, it is true, I am not alone to do all this work. We are a team of lawyers who specialize in various fields. My special fields are family court issues as well as property matters, where I issue title certificate to the builders, as well as I do drafting of agreement for sale, rental agreements, commercial agreements, all agreements relating to purchase and sale of properties, including the land. Therefore, my documentation as well as the litigation areas of land is my area of practices, which I've been practicing from 1992. Since my year of Sanad is 1992 that I have finished my law practice. I've started my law practice. My friends, it is true it is difficult between managing a family as well as a professional work. But yes, it is also true that with the help of parents as well as the in-laws, it is not so difficult. Because God has bestowed an inherent power, an inherent strength in every woman who can very peacefully manage the family as well as work. My friends, that is the reason with today's education, there are women who have reached at the top and are really enterprising. My only request to every woman in this world is that woman can do her best. It's just that we don't have to give up. We have to move forward. We all have seen in the situation of COVID that there were a lot of domestic violence matters. It is only because woman has never raised her voice. She's never asserted her voice. The only request is that women should come forward. With all this education, she should assert her rights, and only then it is possible to make her place in the society that woman actually deserves in. My friends, if you have any issues relating to disputes in the family, or relating to succession, or relating to any property related issues, relating to any agreements, you are most welcome to contact me on the address and the email ID that I have sent with herewith. Thank you so much. It'll be a pleasure to serve you at any time. Thank you so much.